maganda. Ngayon? Or book? Sexy you, sa you still, bukas. Do you understand Tagalog or, Filipino language? Why you are to? Why you are to? What? Why you are to? No, I'm pure Filipina. Pure Filipina. Ikaw talaga, nagtatanong ko na maayos sa'yo. 725. Pinagkago. Yes. I live in Cebu, Philippines. Cebu. I'm Cebuano. Rubbish. Oh. Bakit? AC Brown. Bakit? Grabe ako. Sexy. AC Brown, hello. Ganda ba ako? Sure ba yun? Yes, I'm okay. Yes. Good. Yes, AC Brown. I'm good. You good? Basher yung magbabash sa aalis, kainis. What is your work? As in Brown? Is it okay to ask? If no, that's okay. Your privacy. It's over. Yes, mag-live ka ba sa IG? Never ako nag-live sa IG, guys. Saan yung nakuha yan? Nag-live ako sa IG. Mga kapera mo. Paano ba ako? Where are you from, AC Brown? Sweet. Hello. Makakuha ko dun, guys. Nag-live ako sa IG. Crane. Anong crane, guys? Ano yung crane? What is crane? Ano yung crane? Yes, okay. Me, Cebu, Philippines. It's a nice gift. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Yes. How old are you, Asa Brown? Ito yung mukha ako. Way home, I came back. Okay, I gotta go drive home. That's okay, take care. Drive safely. Mag-ilo ko yun. Mahilo kasi someone bashing. Someone bashing my ilaw.